Hey, what's up guys? I'm Kwan from Taste of Asian Food. Welcome back to another episode. And today I'm going to make a fried rice, a Thai style crab fried rice, which is a popular Thai street food. It is quick and easy to make. It is a dish that is suitable for everyone because it is not spicy. And it is simple to prepare, so you can whip up a perfect weeknight dinner by just following a few simple steps in this recipe. And of course, I will also provide some helpful tips and tricks to prepare a perfect fried rice in this video. So let's get into the details right away. Let's start by showing you some ingredients. And of course, the most important ingredient is the cooked rice for fried rice. I cooked this rice yesterday and I left it in the refrigerator overnight. The rice is now pretty dry and it is best to use it for fried rice. Freshly cooked rice has a problem to fry because it is too wet and it tends to stick onto the wok. Let's break up the rice. And I think it is the most important technique because it serves two purposes. First, once it's lubricated with the oil, the rice grain will not stick onto the wok. Secondly, every grain of the rice will be fried instead of frying the surface of the whole lumps of rice. And that is the important part to create wok aroma in addition to high heat. In my opinion, the best utensils to fry rice is a cast iron wok, well-seasoned cast iron wok, and a high-power stove. This kind of stove is very useful because I can adjust it to make it very low heat, or I can turn up the heat as it is, right? If you don't have it, you can use even an induction stove, and with a large skillet, just make sure that you cook it in small batches. Heat some oil in a wok over low heat and add some chopped garlic and stir fry the chopped garlic until slightly brown. Now add the beaten eggs. When it's nearly set, scramble it and make it into small pieces. You can push it to the side of the wok, or in my case, because my wok is not very big, I'll remove it first. Add some more oil into the wok. And add the rice grain that I have already break it up into individual grain. The goal now is to mix the oil with the rice grain so that every grain of the rice is covered and lubricated by the oil. By doing so, when I turn up the heat to stir fry it later, the rice will never stick onto the wok because each grain is now all covered nicely with the oil. Now I slowly turn up the heat to fry the rice. Return the egg to the rice. Continue frying the rice over medium heat now for about a minute so that each rice grain is lightly toasted. That helps to bring up the aroma. Let's season the rice with some light soy sauce, fish sauce, just a little bit of sugar if you wish, white pepper, and then keep stir frying it. Now add the crab meat. Be careful, do it gently, do not break the crab meat. Now it comes to the final part. Turn up the heat and stir fry for about half a minute to bring out the wok aroma. Okay. You can see the smoke wafting up from the wok. That's how to create wok aroma. Okay. Now add the green onion. More green onions. And some cilantro if you want. Then remove the fried rice from the wok. Now let's take a look of the wok. Even though I use high heat and not a lot of oil, it will not stick if you use the method I showed you just now. I can serve the fried rice as it is, but it's always better to serve it with a sauce. To make a sauce is quite easy. First, you need some lime juice. Please refer to the recipe for the quantity of each ingredient I use. Add some fish sauce. If you want, you can add some minced garlic and some chopped Thai chili. And that's the sauce for the fried rice. Garnish with some cucumber and a wedge of lime. More chopped onions and cilantro, and add some additional crab meat on top, because you can't see the crab meat is all concealed within the rice grains. Okay. That's how to make Thai style crab fried rice. And to serve, I always like to add a little bit of lime juice, just a squeeze of lime juice, and add a little bit of the sauce that I have made just now. Mix and enjoy. And I've already added the recipe in the description below the video for you. And don't forget, subscribe, tap the notification bell and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.